Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, a new feature is rolling out today to some of you on Firefox. Firefox is now going to actually try to have you turn on what's called total cookie protection. So basically, if you go and check out your Firefox browser, you should notice that the first run today, June 14th, 2022, it's going to pop up a message, and it says, do you want to turn on total cookie protection? And if you go into your settings, you should also see that in privacy and security, there's a little check mark for Test Pilot, our most powerful privacy feature ever, total cookie protection. So what does this do? It is a powerful cookie privacy tool. Think about it as cookie jars, and that each cookie jar is independent from the other, which means you've got one type of cookie in one jar, another type in another jar, but they don't mix. They don't know what. From cookie jar to cookie jar, you are only seeing what's in that cookie jar. So this is a new feature to prevent cross-tracking. Now, Firefox has been actually trying to do this for a while, trying to get privacy as one of the number one features of Firefox. And it had been, playing around with lowering the amount of tracking that websites can do by looking at the cookies that you have from the different websites you visit. Now, even though they lowered the amount of information websites was able to get, there is still, cross-tracking that could be done in some cases. Well, now, this is totally independent, meaning you'll see the cookies of the websites you visit, but they should not see, when this is on, the cookies of any other websites. Which means if you went to another site before, you go to a new site now, the trackers are trying to determine where you've been, won't see anything. They'll only see the cookies for the website you are in, and that's it. So enhanced privacy is what's happening here with this new feature. So if you actually use Firefox, it's probably going to pop up a message saying, look, want to turn on our feature. It's a test feature, so they're test piloting it. You can, of course, remove yourself from this test by removing the check mark. But this is very interesting, and I am testing it. I'm going to actually go to visit different websites with Firefox today and see how the websites behave and how I can see the differences also when I go from site to site and look at the ads, see if it changes the way the ads are popping up and what type of ads that I'm getting depending on where I go. So a new feature rolling out. If you're on Firefox, you can check that out. It should ask you actually starting today, and in the next few days, if you don't have it yet, in the next few days it should ask you if you want to turn on total cookie protection. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.